I'm gonna try these blind spot mirrors on my car. I think they're gonna look a little bit out of place, but I think they're gonna be super functional for what I need, because this car has kind of some bad blind spots, and I don't think that I can really fix it without these. So we'll see how this goes. One thing that's really cool about these mirrors is they're a little bit offset, and then they rotate, so you can adjust this mirror. So watch this one. So this is my view. You can now see how much more I can see. Look at that in comparison to the current view I have out of my mirrors. When I line these mirrors up, I'm trying to see just the edge of my vehicle, but the problem is I can't see below. So like I can't see this whole ground area right here, and I really just can't see directly in the other lane, so I have to pull my head out and look. But now with these mirrors, it's going to be so much easier. See, you can't see the dog here, but you could see the dog there. That's a great example. Here's how it looks from the driver view. And the other side. So that one is a little bit different, adjusting it, because you got that blind spot of looking at the side of the mirror. I mean, the side of the mirror that I put on it.